Hi guys, my name is Ashish and I have 10 plus years of experience in data analysis. I am working in Power BI since last 4 years. So today we will learn what is row level security. So actually row level security is about applying security on a data row level. For example, the sales manager of a United States should only see data for the United States and not for Europe, right? Let's see, this is a dashboard. This is the sales data of these respected countries. You can see here. So here we will apply the row level security. Actually, row level securities are of two types. One is static row level security, second dynamic row level security. So here we are discussing about static row level security. Yeah, let's see how to manage the rules and how to apply row level security. So first we go to modeling tab. Here we will select manage rules, right? I have deleted that one. I will delete that. It was created by me. I will create one more new. I will name as, suppose I will name of this rows as location. Here we will enter the DAX expressions. So expression is we will choose here the dimension, and here we put the value. Suppose uh, the France team can only show the data of France country. So we will create one more row. So we will create one row level security for France country. Then we will save it. So if we have to see that roles, so we will click on view as, and we will go to the locations. Here you can see that only France data is showing. Yeah, so it is working. So we stop viewing that and we will publish that report to my workspace. Let's publish this data to my workspace. I have already published it. So let's go to my workspace. This is Power BI online services. Here we will see that how this row level security works. Click on these three dots, go to security. Here you have to enter the email ID of those person who can only access the France data. So I don't have any other ID, so I will enter my ID and I will add this. I will save it. Let's test as a role and see while it is working or not. Here you can see that we are only able to see the data of France country. So how this static row level security works? I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.